Hello everyone, hello everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful 2024 and a happy new year. Alright, in case if you're new to this channel, my name is Comfort Beach Ambesh, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI chatbot just like ChatGPT or Bard. So with this chatbot, you can ask it any questions that you would want. Like in an instance, if I do ask it machine learning, what is machine learning, it's going to respond with something accurate. You can respond to it in any way you would want to. So we're going to achieve this in a few minutes. Okay, so it has responded with something so accurate. Machine learning is a subset. Okay, so if we do ask it another question like, in which year did Zambia get independence? Yeah, so Zambia gained independence from here. So it's given everything so accurately. So let's get started now. Let's get started. Let's put this into code. All right, now, fam. All right, so this is the GitHub repo, of which the link is already in the description. If you want an access to this link, kindly check from my description. Okay, so we're going to follow these instructions that I put right here in the repo. So if you see, this is my GitHub. This is my GitHub account where I created this Django script that you are all going to be using. So here's the description. Everything is well stated. So welcome to it AI chatbot. This is a simple. So these are the requirements: Python 3, Python version 3 or higher. We go to Django 3.2.7, and then we need to install requests, pip install requests. Okay, so what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to download the zip file. I'm going to download it, and then I'm going to compress it. So, okay, press. Oh, okay. So where is that Django AI chatbot? So I'm going to open it from my VS Code here, my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm going to open it from my Visual Studio. Nope, not this one. Um, Django AI chatbot. I'm going to open it from my VS Code. Okay, so should be able to open like this. So the file structure looks like this. So let's go to the GitHub so that we can follow the instructions together. Okay, so now step one, log in or register to open AI account. So the first thing you need to do here is that you need to make sure that you log into your OpenAI account. Okay, so I'm going to click here, open a new tab, open new eye, and then after you successfully log in, it's going to uh, it's going to like give you these options. Which one do you want to access? So I'm going to access API. Okay, so here I'm going to from my left section here. I'm going to click API keys. After that, I'm going to create new key. So why are we doing this? We need to access the GPT APIs. Remember that this chatbot is based on the GPT model by OpenAI. So I'm going to say my first chatbot, then create secret key. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, uh, let's give it a wait. Okay, let me kind of reload my page. Let's say with bot create key. Okay, done. Okay, so after you get this create new secret key, the next thing you would have to do here is you need to ensure that you go to tools, views, and then here where it's written open API, open AI API key, and then I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to save, go to my terminal. I need to go to my terminal. Let me close the existing ones. Okay, so I'm going to go to my terminal, open my terminal inside the Django, my Django directly. So I'm going to say Python Python 3 manage.py run server. Okay, so now the server is running. The next thing I'm going to do is to, okay, so here it comes. So now let's test it. We're going to say, when was Google founded? Okay, let's test it together. You see, now we have successfully managed to create our own chatbot in a few minutes. And then here we're going to say, who is Elon Musk? Okay, so it gives us something so accurate, just like your own AI chat companion. So you can use this chatbot in anywhere you'd want to. I've shared this for free and as an open source. You can use it in anywhere you'd want to. And today we're going to end from here. Before you can stop watching this video, kindly make sure that you subscribe, since I noticed that about 85% of my audience here are those people who just do view my content and disappear. So I'm kindly requesting for a for your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and for your time.